She wanted to share the joy of the birds' enchanting songs with her kingdom. So she arranged a grand celebration in the royal courtyard, inviting all her subjects to witness the birds' magical performance. On the day of the celebration, the kingdom's residents gathered in anticipation. Queen Isabella took her place on a golden throne adorned with flowers, and the tiny bird perched on a branch nearby. With a wave of her hand, the queen signaled the bird to begin its performance. As the bird started to sing, a wave of enchantment spread throughout the courtyard. The melodies were so beautiful that flowers bloomed and danced, butterflies swirled around, and even the clouds seemed to part to listen. The kingdom was filled with wonder and awe as they witnessed the magical performance. News of Queen Isabella's celebration spread far and wide, attracting visitors from neighboring lands. The queen's kindness and her ability to bring joy to others made her beloved not only by her subjects but by everyone who heard of her story. Inspired by the success of the celebration, Queen Isabella decided to create an annual event called the Festival of Harmony, where talented singers and musicians from all over the kingdom would gather to share their gifts. The festival became a cherished tradition, bringing people together and spreading happiness throughout the land. From that day forward, Queen Isabella continued to use her power and influence for the betterment of her kingdom and the happiness of her people. She ruled with kindness, compassion, and a deep love for all living creatures, ensuring that Enchantia remained a place of harmony and joy. And so, the story of Queen Isabella and her magical bird spread far and wide, reminding everyone that even a single act of kindness can create ripples of happiness that touch the lives of many.